Creating user. Log into your cPanel account. Navigate to the Files section and click on FTP accounts. Fill out the form with this information. Log in, enter a username for the FTP account. Password, enter a strong password for the FTP account. You can use the password generator tool from cPanel to select a more secure password and click on Use Password. Directory. Select the directory that you want the FTP user to have access to. Quota. Set a limit on the amount of disk space that the FTP user can use or choose the unlimited option. Click on the Create FTP Account button. You can now use this account to upload and download files from your website. Connecting to the FTP. Now for connecting to your host via the FTP protocol. Open an FTP tool. There are many FTP tools available online, such as FileZilla, CyberDuck, etc. In this video, we're using WinSCP. To add a new session, in the WinSCP, click on the Session menu, then select New Session. Enter connection details. In the session settings, enter the hostname, domain address, port number, username, and password to connect to the host. Connect to the host. Click on the Login button to connect to the host. Once connected to the host, navigate to the directory where you want to upload your files. Now you can upload your files easily by selecting the files you want to upload and dragging and dropping them into the FTP tool window. Checking uploaded files. Now if you want to check an uploaded file in cPanel server, follow these steps. In your cPanel account, navigate to the File Manager section. In the File Manager, find the directory where you uploaded the file using FTP. You can navigate through directories by clicking on their names. Locate the file that you uploaded using FTP. You can identify the file by its name, size, and date modified. Now you have successfully created an FTP user in cPanel and checked the uploaded file in FTP cPanel.